has referral partners that have gone quiet. Today's script: call one dormant partner and ask one question. We really value the patients, residents, clients we've cared for from you. If there was one thing we could do better to earn your trust again, what would that be? And then shut up and write. You'll learn more in that 30 seconds than most agencies get from a year of dropping off cookies or just dropping calls. If you want your advocates to be having these conversations like this every week with a scorecard to track activations, book a 3 in 90 call below. And if you just want them practicing one conversation like this each week, Growth Lab is the low risk way you want to start. I can't wait to hear from you. Come back, tell me, how did this conversation go? Now, tomorrow, on day 4, I'm going to share with you why diagnosis-based messaging works for your agency. So I can't wait to see you on that call. Thanks for joining me on this Advent calendar time. We'll see you tomorrow for Leading with Heart and Winning with Strategy.